So I figure no adventure that starts in a graveyard is going to go wrong, is it?
Okay, we're cutting through the cemetery on a top secret mission. Apparently trespassing, but we're not sure. Going to Blue Ghost Tunnel. Maybe. We'll see if we make it.
So we found a road off the graveyard and we think maybe they're dumping bodies here. So we're gonna go find out. So we walked for a while. We left the cemetery. We ended up in a cemetery. I'm starting to see a theme here.
Slightly tough getting through there, but we come out into an open field. Complete with a trail. Oh, and there's the canal right down there. I can see it. Oh. And it leads back into the spooky woods.
We smashed through this solid bush and we have found a trail. I think that's the get away from me mosquitoes dance. Nothing could possibly go wrong on a narrow little trail in the dark woods. I'm sure of it.
Well, you know what they say. When you come to a fork in the road, take it. So we took it. Oh. I hear a train. I hear a train too. Okay, so this is, it did turn that way again. This is coming back out back of the composting plant. We're trying to go due north because that'll take us to the old Seaway Road.
There's a field right there. Let's see what we see in that little
Okay.
field.
To me, like that goes straight north, goes straight to the...
Straight to where they're going to bust us for trespassing.
Well, except I don't think that road's patrolled.
I vote we go this way. This falls under the category of do not want to fall down there.
I don't know how much of this you can see, but we're walking the edge of a cliff, which is actually partially collapsed.
All right, I'm not nervous about this at all. Just a tunnel through the trees.
Ah!
Okay?
Yeah. Poked me in the eye with a stick.
Oh, somebody bit it.
Uh-oh. Something died here. You think that's human?
We're not alone in these woods. There's something behind you. So we break out of the trees, and up here on the hill, it says, caution, deep water. I'm not going that way. I think this is where they take the trespassers. It's a new form of waterboarding.
Okay, so here's the reservoir and the dam, control dam, from the original Welland Canal built in the 1800s. I'm thinking we're going down there, and the tunnel actually goes under what was the canal. There's a trail going up to the road, and someone put in a bridge. Well, there is 2 boards and steel grating on it, so I wasn't too worried. Let's take the fork in the road. Ooh, I definitely want to go down. I think that goes to that big flat rock I was looking at.
I don't even know where we are anymore. We've been lost in this jungle for days. And that seagull we ate isn't really filling me up anymore. I don't know what this is. Oh my God, even the forest is saying danger.
Okay, I'm gonna go off the trail for a second. Check something.
Owie.
I want my flashlight out. Okay, try this again. Hello? Anybody in there? Hello? Tammy found some vines. Okay, now swing on it. I'm filming.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
No.
Chicken.
That's just attached to trees and he's gonna swing on it. Or he's just gonna pull it down on himself and run away like a fool.
Oh, you definitely do. Look at this.
Are you insane?
Look at this. One of the old locks. I'm not sure which one. Even with some of the boards from the doors still in place.
All right. So, our only way to civilization is across the sheer vertical drop. It's an old lock and the water flows so fast we can't swim there and we can't scale these mountains. We're stuck here forever. We're all gonna die!
When the trail comes to a sudden end, it just means you go faster.
That is the trail. Oh my God!
Nothing to it.
This is my psychotic brother who just ran down that stinking hill. I'm gonna go a little more cautiously.
Here comes Tammy for the historical moment. Don't go flying down here. Big hole right here. Come down this trail right here and hold on to trees.
Okay.
There's a severe limestone wall here, so don't go flying off.
Oh, are you standing on top of it?
I'm standing on top of the wall.
Is it the Blue Ghost Tunnel?
It is the Blue Ghost Tunnel.
Oh my God, we found it!
We sure did. And we're gonna get wet, but I don't care.
I don't care how hard we worked to get here.
Yep,
We're standing on top of it.
we are standing on top of it. Check it out.
Oh, I want to check it out from the bottom where I'll feel more secure. Okay, we made it to the Blue Ghost Tunnel. But it is, this is like 6 inches of suck you down mud and lots of water.
Oh no, something else died here.
Oh no, what is it? Oh, it's got a hand.
It's got a hand.
It's a raccoon.
No, it's a possum, I think. Poor possum.
Possums here?
Yes. Poor possum.
Do possums have opposable thumbs?
Apparently.
Look at the stonework around this. It's so cool.
You have the room key, so if I go make it back.
Am I not supposed to try to rescue you?
Oh. Wow. Okay, I gotta get some pictures of this.
Do you think people could actually find us here to rescue us?
Absolutely.
What if it's not actually the Blue Ghost Tunnel?
It is.
How do you know?
Because it matches the pictures that everybody's saying is the Blue Ghost Tunnel.
Okay. I like those monolithic pillars leading up to the top. That's awesome.
Yes, I want to get some photos here. I'm going to in a second, but I'm getting some video and photo first. We found it. Work of art.
All right. Ian's attempting to go in. Let's see if he ends up in the drink.
Yeah, you'll get wet, but
How deep is the muck on the bottom, though, on top of that water?
stick into the logs and I can walk on it. Except that one.
Yeah, this is not safe. I don't think we should be doing this. Take your pictures from there. He's determined he's going in. I think he's out of his frickin' mind. Don't mind.
Big snakes I can make it farther.
I don't mind getting wet, but I don't like the feel of this sludgy mud. It's too slippery and too, like, pull you down and keep you forever. I'm just a killjoy. Oh yeah, he's got the light out now. That doesn't seem to be penetrating very far.
I can see the reinforcing.
You can see the what?
The reinforcing wood.
Oh. You have to space your words because of the echo. I have to say, it is very atmospheric. I could see why they'd say it's haunted. And maybe if it weren't for the muddy sludge, I might actually attempt what that nut job is doing. Are you starting to question your life choices?
No, not yet.
What?
It's a little goopy, but it's not bad. It's walkable.
Okay.
And the light's bouncing off all the fog. Oh, it's hurting the feet. You can see the reinforcing they put in down there. Pretty cool.
There's light in the tunnel. I see a figure. No! That's cool. Sweet. Look, there's the light of Ghost Pass coming down the tunnel. Did you hear that? It's the ghost speaking.
We're both totally out of shape, and this was quite the hike. Much more brutal than I expected. Still totally worth it. I couldn't.
Still have to get back.
Minor technicality. The trail. Dun dun dun. The hill. Go for it, I'll watch.
Yeah, you'll watch
Ah, she makes it look easy. Can't be more than a 50 or 60 degree incline. Okay, wait for me, I'll catch up.
Oh, that one was easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy. Make no mistake about it, this is steep and slippery. This is all dirt.
Okay, so the trip started with a cemetery and it went to a cemetery and now it's ending, guess where? A cemetery.
Okay, we made back as far as the cemetery. We started at the cemetery. That should have been a warning sign right there. And now we're ending at the cemetery. I'm pretty sure it's the one we started at.
And I don't think we're ghosts.
I don't think so.
I hope not.
But that was a pretty epic trip. And we actually made it to Blue Ghost Tunnel. I'm impressed. That was pretty epic.
We circled it once, but we found it.
Yes, yes, we did circle it once.
I'm sweaty and I'm a mess. And my brother has not come out of the tunnel yet.
I'm not sure if we're gonna make it. I left Tammy behind about a couple miles back.